Hey everybody, we're back here with our first BattlBox unboxing. You can see the website down there on the bottom. So they got different levels, depends on how much you want to put into it. And I'm going to use my little knife beaner. It came with one of those Lone Survivor kits. So straight is knife. It's actually pretty sharp. I like it. And it's got a flat head and a Phillips head bit on there. It's pretty nice. Got them laying around the house. I got like 4 of them, I think. So, and if you need to, you can connect them, put them on your belt or whatever, and it's locked. So it's just the usual turn over. So let's see what we got here. So, and here is a quick snapshot of their plans. I don't know if y'all can read that. So they go up. They go from, you know, different prices. No, they go up pretty good. So let's see this one. Let's see what we got. So we have a eat your coffee, clean, convenient caffeine is what they're saying. So I don't know. Maybe this will be my breakfast one day. So we got that. We have a K-bar knives spork. So let's open this up real quick. This is gonna be kind of cool. Keep around. They go camping and stuff like that. So this is, I've seen these on like Amazon and stuff. So yeah, there you go. Little serrated blade. Not bad. It's plastic, so don't plan on cutting anything hard with that. So actually, there's 2 of these caffeine bars. Then we got some of the Breakthrough military grade solvent. See there? This is 2 fluid ounces. So that stuff works. It says instructions: apply liberally to the desired area and allow to soak for 1 minute. Use clean tool of choice to remove fouling. Dry with a microfiber cloth. Recondition firearm with battle-borne lubrication products. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. And then what we got here, Lord and Phil Outfitters, the Dungaree knife, hardworking knives. Then they got a little quote on there: a man has no right to do less than his best. So there you go. So we're going to open this up real quick. Nice little case, nice little tube case it's in. So look at this. Oh no, that's nice. It's kind of roughed up a little bit. It's like machine marks. There you go, this little lock blade. See, yeah, it's pretty sharp. So yeah, it's a nice little about 2.5, 3-inch blade. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So we'll get one of these a month, trying to get my kids involved into doing these. And maybe they'll, I'll let them start seeing, like, oh, what can we use these things for? So, like I said, we got the knife. It came rolled up in this nice, it's kind of like it's got oil on it or wax or something. So we'll stick this back in here for now. And then the 2 caffeine fudgy mocha latte. For those fancy people that go eat stuff, need those. Then the Breakthrough military grade solvent. And of course the K-bar spork. So I might be using this for dinner tonight. Let's see. So like I said, this has their packs on there. So they got their basic for $61.29, or the value of it is. Oh, so this one, so saying the K-bar was $7.99, little spork. The solvent was $8.95. Then the Eat Your Coffee grain snack bars were $4.99, and then the Lord and Phil Dungaree denim micarta folding knife was $39.99. So it's a $69 or $61.92 value. I think this kit was only 30 bucks. I can't remember a month. I'd have to look and see. It don't say it on the box. But anyway, so this is kind of cool. It's like, you know, Christmas every month. So yeah, so just stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification button. So next month when we get this, y'all see what's in the next box. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Oh, so real quick, I forgot to mention this. So this is actually from my hometown in Milledgeville, Georgia. Milledgeville, Georgia. So it's kind of cool. I didn't realize that until I got the USPS tracking label for this, and it says from Milledgeville, Georgia. I'm like, that's kind of cool. It's from my hometown. It's where I grew up. So, all right. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna leave there for the comments. Just know you can go by there, the BattlBox. It's BattlBox without a E.com. And I'll leave a link below. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.